Mama Rachel's Southern Cooking. I'd like y'all to look at my apron today. My cousin made for me. Me and her's always been real close. We've been more like sisters. But she made it for me and she done a wonderful job. Her name's Tammy Lewis. And I really thank her for it. I thought she done awesome. It's got my logo on it and all. And I'm real tickled and pleased with it. But I thank her today. But today we're going to do it's chest bars. But I'm doing them a little different. You can do all different kinds of flavors in chest bars. I've done strawberry, I've done orange, I've done chocolate and red velvet. And you can also do the spice. And but one of our favorites is the red velvet and chocolate and the strawberry. But today I'm going to fix for my husband red velvet. But you take 1 box of cake mix. It just makes the old favorite just a little bit different. Sometimes, you know, you need just a little bit of a change. And I'm going to take 1 egg, just 1 large egg. You take 1 stick of butter or margarine. Today I'm just using margarine. A lot of the times when I do bacon, I use margarine. It's a whole lot cheaper. And but now when I come to my regular cooking now, I always use real butter. But just melt your butter, 1 stick of it, and have a 9 by 13 pan ready. And today I'm just putting it in the little cheap dollar throwaway aluminum pans. Just mix your butter right in with your cake mix and your egg. Let me see if I can, I'm winging this on my own again today. My husband was busy and I'm trying to make it to where you can see it. What it looks like in the thing, and just mix it all together. The strawberry ones is really good in this, and the chocolate ones is too. But they are our favorite, and the red velvet. Preheat your oven on 375 and it'll stay in anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes according to the type of pan you use and your oven. Everything's a little bit different sometimes. Okay, when you get that all mixed up, stick it right in the pan. It just makes like a thick dough. And use your hands to pat it out with. Just try to make it as even as you can going across the pan. Okay. Now when you get that done, we've got a different mix that we've got to mix. You take 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. If I can get it open here. Just let it be softened a little. And take 2 more eggs, large eggs. Put it right in with your cream cheese. Take about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to take the mixer and mix that up before I start putting powdered sugar in. I should have already had my mixer out and ready, but sometimes it's hard to remember everything, especially as you're getting older. There it went. Just mix it up. Start out on slow speed. You don't want to mix it all over. Scatter it all over everywhere. And just sort of turn it up little by little. Okay. Now, on powdered sugar, I'm going to add 1 cup at a time, and it'll take right around about 4 cups of powdered sugar. That's 2 cups. Most people fixes this with the yellow cake mix. It's just the same recipe. If you've ever made the chess bars, just regular yellow chess bars, it's the same recipe. You just use a different cake mix with it. Just gives it a whole different taste. Okay, it's 3 cups. Okay, 4 cups. Your consistency is about like a cake batter. Now you just pour it right on top of your cake batter. Just spread it evenly. And we're going to put that in the oven on 350 and let it bake for about anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes. It's just according to your oven. And I'll get it out and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Welcome back, y'all. Our chest bars is ready. So I just want to show you what they look like. This is how they look right out of the oven. And I'm going to cut us a piece. I'm going to see if I can't take this camera down to where you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to slice it. You can cut these as big as you want. Some people call this a ooey gooey cake. Some calls it a butter cake. These are real good with coffee in the morning. If you're a good coffee fan, they're really good in the morning with a cup of coffee. And that's what they look like. Get it up a little bit closer so you can see it. But they're really good. But I hope you all enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoy my videos. And I thank you and God